All right, it's time to record. Get to your seat. Get to your seat. Hey, this is your seat right here. This is your seat. Get in it. Good girl. Good girl. Good job. Good job. Well, today we are going to be looking at the set that I have here, my lights, my camera, how you can turn your home into a studio for YouTube. So if that's interesting to you, stick around as we get started. Good job, lady. Pierre, you always do a good job. Let's go. Well, hey everyone, my name is Jesse, this is Pierre, and this is Lady, and welcome to our YouTube channel. On this channel, you're gonna learn about videography, financial stuff, and also getting encouragement while you're here. So if that sounds good, hit the like button, drop me a comment, and also if you feel like it, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. We're gonna go ahead and get on with the tour today. The first thing I wanna look at in my setup is audio, because audio is so important in your video. It makes up 50% of the user's experience. Remember that. If you don't have clean audio, then it's not gonna be good for the person watching your video. What I use is a Rode Wireless Mic Go. It's a wireless transmitter, so it's linked to my camera, so it's linked to me, so I don't have any wires in between me and the camera, which is so good. That's what I use. You can buy that if you want to. I'll leave a link in the description. You can click on that and buy it for yourself. When I do a vlog style, I use a Rode VideoMic Pro that I sit on top of the camera as I hold the camera. And so that's another piece that I use when trying to get good, clean audio. Let's talk about lighting for a second. I have a key light, which is my main light source that's shining on me. It's about 30 degrees to my left, up a little bit, so it gives me a good drop shadow. I also have a field light right here, and I also have a hair light and a color light in the back to kind of separate me from the background. Now, all of that's kind of like, what are you talking about, Jesse? And I'm gonna show you what I mean. I'm gonna leave these key lights on, but I'm also gonna take out the hair light, and I'm also gonna take out the color light, and you'll be able to see, like, the picture just looks very flat. So right now, as you can tell, the background and me, the subject, look the same, right? I mean, we're pretty much, I'm blending in with the background. It just doesn't look appealing. But when you put the contrasting colors back, let's go ahead and put that back now. Now you'll see how there's separation from the background and it looks more cinematic. So this is the light that I use to light up my background with different colors. You don't have to get this light. I just had this and I just wanted to shine it on the wall. I'll link a good light down in the description that you can buy, pretty inexpensive, and throw on the wall to give you a pop of color to kind of separate you from the background. So the hair light that I have, I'll link that light in the description. That is just a battery powered light that I shine on the back of my head, and that just creates a rim around the back side of me to help me stand out from the background. So lighting is so important when you're talking about video. The camera that I use is the Canon R6, and I cannot wait to use this camera at some weddings that I have planned and some video shoots that I have on the books. I'm just so excited to use this camera. It's such a good camera. It's a 20 megapixel camera, and it shoots 4K up to 60 frames per second, which is so amazing. Canon really did a great job when they made this camera. So that's the camera that I use. I'll link a few beginner cameras, if you're looking into cameras, what you should buy, in the descriptions below. Well, that's all from me. I will link everything that you've seen here today in the description below. I'll also link some budget options for you to get started with. And so go ahead and check those out. If you would, drop me a like, a comment, and also subscribe to the channel. I would love that. And guess what? We'll see you back next time. Peace.